So, have you ever stopped to wonder what's actually going on inside your body? I mean, on a really tiny molecular level? What's making your heart beat or your brain fire off thoughts or your muscles move? Well, the answer to all of that and a whole lot more is all hiding in the incredible world of biochemistry. So, let's dive in and break it down.
When you hear a word like biochemistry, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Are you thinking about biology, with all its cells and complex organisms? Or are you picturing the world of chemistry with all its tiny atoms and molecules? Well, the thing is, it's actually both. It's this amazing sweet spot right in the middle, and that's where things get really cool.
Okay, so to really get a handle on what biochemistry is all about, we kind of need to zoom out for a second and look at the big picture. Let's figure out where it fits in the grand scheme of science.
Think about it this way. If you could zoom way in on any living thing, you'd eventually just see the basic building blocks from chemistry, atoms and tiny little molecules. But if you zoom all the way out, you see the massive, complex systems of biology, like whole cells or tissues. Biochemistry is the bridge that connects those two worlds. It's the science that happens right in that gap, where chemistry literally comes to life. And this is really where biochemistry gets its identity. It's all about the giants of the molecular world, these huge, complicated biomolecules like proteins and DNA. And these aren't just sitting there. Oh no, they are the tiny engines that run everything, carrying out millions of different chemical reactions every single second just to keep you alive. All right, now let's bring it all back home, back to you. Because this stuff isn't some far-off abstract concept. Nope. This is the science of your life, and it's happening inside of you right now, with every single breath you take. That's a pretty wild thought, isn't it? When you strip everything else away, you're basically a walking, talking, thinking collection of molecules. And the rules that decide how all those molecules interact with each other? Yep, that's biochemistry. It's basically the instruction manual for you. And look, this isn't just a thought experiment. This is the science that powers your day-to-day life. The food you eat and how your body turns it into energy, that's your metabolism, and it's pure biochemistry. The medicines that help you get better when you're sick, they are all designed with a deep understanding of biochemistry. It's really the foundation of all modern health and wellness. But here's the flip side. Because biochemistry is so vital to our health, it's also a place where a ton of misinformation pops up. And that brings us to something super important: how to find your way through the confusing world of health claims without getting lost. Let's be real, we're swimming in an ocean of pseudoscience. From the latest fad diet that promises miracles to some unproven cure you see online, we're just constantly hit with claims that sound good but have absolutely no basis in reality. This is where knowing a little biochemistry can be your best defense. So it really comes down to a choice. You can go down the rabbit hole of pseudoscience with all its easy answers and promises that never pan out, or you can take the scientific path, the biochemical path, and actually try to understand the how and the why behind your own health. It's about focusing on the real MVPs here, the enzymes, the DNA, the molecules that are actually running the show, so you can get a clear picture of what's really going on. Now, I get it. This can all sound super, super complicated. But here's the key thing to always remember. What's happening in your cells isn't magic. It's just chemistry. I love this way of thinking about it. You see these diagrams of enzymes, and they just look like these weird tangled blobs, right? And I mean, they're made of thousands of atoms all folded up. But if you could zoom in, you'd see it's just a bunch of atoms with positive and negative charges pulling and pushing on each other, kind of like tiny magnets. They're just following the simple, fundamental rules of chemistry to do their job. Yeah, it's complex, for sure, but it is not magic. And because it's all built on these basic rules, there's actually a really clear path to understanding it. It's a lot like learning a language. You start with the alphabet. That's your general chemistry. Then you learn how to make words with organic chemistry. And then, before you know it, you're ready for biochemistry, where you can start to read the incredible stories that your body is writing. It's a journey anyone can start. So, where is this all going? What's the big payoff for putting all these different pieces together? Well, it's about finally being able to see the big picture of life itself. And that really is the ultimate goal. It's not about memorizing a million different facts. It's about getting to that aha moment where you suddenly see how all of these tiny, microscopic chemical reactions connect and work together to create the beautiful symphony of life. It's about gaining a really deep appreciation for the incredible complexity that is you. In the end, this knowledge is all about empowerment. It gives you the tools you need to see through bad health information, to make smarter choices for yourself, and to just have a much deeper connection with the amazing machine that is your own body.
So you see, learning biochemistry isn't just about science class. It's really a journey of self-discovery. It's like finally getting a peek under the hood to see what makes you, well, you. So I'll just leave you with one last question. Are you ready to understand what you're made of?